gonna end up putting the fridge in because that came in on Wednesday. But the exciting thing is, all the spray foam worked. There's no sign that any rain got in the camper. Hallelujah! So excited. Look, but for real though, I don't care what you say. I crack myself up when I'm doing this shit. So, deal with it. Ooh, imagine how many freezy pops I could fit in there. So, got the fridge in, sorta. So we're having an issue with the fridge right now that it's not made to be in a camper, so it moves a lot. So I'm kind of in the process of figuring out how I'm gonna lock it down and how I'm actually gonna bolt it to the floor. I have to finish this cabinet before I get the fridge in, because I won't be able to put the paneling and stuff on the side here. It's gonna be much more difficult than it needs to be later on. So I actually did this on accident, but this is actually the bracket that's gonna go on the roof, or the mount that's gonna go on the roof. I actually measured it with both of them stacked like that, but it actually made my measurements come out right, so it's good job. So the frame for the cabinet's come together. Other than this part right here, I kind of messed up one of my cuts, but I think it'll work either way. I think it'll be fine. I just went to Home Depot and I bought this piece of aluminum. I'm gonna use this to kind of build a bracket that goes underneath, and at the bottom of the fridge there's like a little slat that goes all the way through. So I'm kind of just gonna drill a hole, like drill 2 holes on each end of this, and then just kind of lock the fridge down that way. I'm gonna go ask for help. All right, moment of truth. Doesn't seem like it wants to fall. I feel like I could rip it out, but I'd rather not. I don't know, when I was working on the camper, I started kind of getting tired and just put things away. I kind of forgot to film an ending. I don't really have a good excuse. And I'm really starting to get to the point with the camper that living in it in a month and a half actually feels obtainable. I don't feel as overwhelmed at this point. Like, it actually seems like a possibility. And I'm honestly starting to feel a whole lot better about it. If you like this video, you like my other videos, please like it, please subscribe. Feel free to comment below, tell me what you think. Also, I stream Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 p.m. Eastern. Feel free to come by the stream, twitch.tv/MrWingles, and I appreciate you guys stopping by.